Life is busy. So when it comes to cleaning your home, you have better things to do. For basically the cost of a nice meal, you'll easily gain hours of free time per week, reduce your stress level, and ensure a healthy indoor environment for your family. Plus, you'll never feel the need to say, "Sorry about the mess," when guests pop in. Customers frequently come to us because they're unhappy with their current cleaning provider and are thrilled when they experience our personal touch difference, beginning with the free in-home estimate to generate a personalized service plan to fit their needs and budget. MTO Cleaning Services also carries insurance to cover you, your home, and your possessions. No one can put a price on your time. Letting MTO Clean handle your cleaning chores provides you with extra evening and weekend hours for your family and yourself, with less expense than you think. So what are you waiting for? Reclaim your free time. Find your local MTO Clean office and request a free estimate today.